I'm going to show you how to do this cool style V bracelet, bookmark, keychain, or whatever you want it to be. You can choose as many colors of string as you want, but I'm going to show you with 4 colors. Choose 4 different colors and cut them to about 3 to 4 feet long. Fold them in half and make a loop knot. Grab your big toe and let's get started. The first part is a little rough and tricky, but don't worry, it will be fun and worth it in the end. You want to separate the colors in a pattern on both sides and make sure they are the same. Start with the outside color and hold the second color and make a 4 facing the outside. Loop the outside color under the second color and grab it through the hole and tighten by pulling forward with the string. Do 2 knots with each color and then move on to the next string. Make sure to keep the string that you aren't using out of the way. Once you are done with the right side, move on to the left and do the same thing. Your 4 should always face the outside, so when you are working on the right side, it should point right, and when you are working on the left side, it should point left. You will repeat this process over and over and over and over again, but I promise, it's fun. Once you get to the middle, use the 2 colors that you used to make each knot into a square knot, meaning left over right and right over left. Your outside color will change each